Cleanliness is one of the most important assets we all cherish. We like to keep our desks clean, our homes clean, and everything around us very tidy. But there's so much of waste generated by us in a single day. Where does all the waste go then? How do we manage to keep our homes and the environment clean? Well, we have dustbins to help us with collecting all the waste that we produce. Dustbins are collection points of the waste generated from where the waste can be further carried for disposal. We know the importance of waste disposal. Ever wondered how the cell disposes the waste generated? Does it have any dustbin which can help collect whatever waste is generated? Of course it does. Both plant and animal cells have an organelle named vacuole. These vacuoles act as storage centers for the cell. They are storage sacs for the solid and the liquid components, which are usually wastes generated by the cell. So do all cells have same number and size of vacuoles? Well, not actually. If we compare the two, that is a plant and an animal cell, then we can clearly get the difference between the number and the size of the vacuoles in each. Plant cells have comparatively bigger and fewer vacuoles, while the animal cell has smaller and many vacuoles. In the case of some plant cells, the vacuole may be central one, which may occupy more than half of the cell volume. Interesting, isn't it? And what are the substances that the vacuole stores within it? Apart from waste materials, some vacuoles can even store amino acids, sugars, proteins, and various other substances. So vacuoles have the function of storage of waste materials, or in some cases, a few can store excess of useful substances as well. Is that all a vacuole can store? Well, in certain cases of lower organisms like amoeba, there are specialized vacuoles as well. And what do these help in? These are instrumental in storage of food. Yes, you heard me right. Lower organisms like amoeba and paramecium have a specialized structure called the food vacuole, which helps in the food storage. These are the food vacuoles that I am referring to. So what are these structures then? They too resemble like these vacuoles. Are they some kind of vacuoles as well? That's right. These structures are also vacuoles. They are called contractile vacuoles. What are they useful for? Contractile, as the name says, has the ability to contract or shrink. These vacuoles store liquids, and when they get completely filled, they contract to expel out the stored contents. Vacuoles thus perform a variety of functions in different organisms. Hence, they are important for all types of cells.